Hey guys, Sam Robinson here. Welcome to this bonus page for Vlydo. Now, I know what you're thinking, another video player, and what makes this one different? So I'm going to cut straight to the chase and just give you a bit of a heads up that it is different. It's actually got a whole bunch of unique tools that can help you drive your viewership up to over 300%. So what exactly does it have that makes it different? Well, firstly, you can create unlimited playlists and add unlimited videos. Not only that, you don't have to install it on your computer. It's fully hosted, so there's nothing to install on your site or on your computer. You just simply log in, jump in the members area and get started. So it's easily based on the internet. Now it also works, it's not just restricted to say YouTube or just YouTube and Vimeo like a lot of other video players, or you find a lot of others are actually just restricted to what they do themselves. This one actually works with YouTube, Vimeo, Amazon, Wister, Dropbox, anything you host a video on can actually play in this player. And also you can also add in and put ads pre the video or post the video as well to help with that engagement or drive that traffic to where you want it to go. So it is a very unique video player. It's something the market needs because it also integrates with all the popular autoresponders too, so you can go about capturing those leads and building that list as well through video. And finally, I've had a play around in the members area and it's very newbie friendly. It's totally easy to get started yourself and make the most of the software. So without that, without much more mucking around, I'm actually going to put Sam back on. He's actually going to jump in and give you a walkthrough through the software so you can see what it's all about. And don't forget to check down below with the bonus page. Check out all the bonuses you're going to get access to when you get Vlydo today, and you can get started in the best way possible with video online. If you're into video, you need this. So we'll see you in the members area.
Hey, Sam here. Thanks for coming to this special bonus page for Vlydo. This is a software that my friends and I have been working on for probably the last few months. It's a new software that's a video player, and you know, a video player doesn't sound that great because there's so many different video players out there, but this is a video player with a difference. It includes a really cool playlists feature that will help you increase your viewership by over 300%. It's really simple to set up, and it will basically give your users the ability to search through which videos they want to actually jump on and watch inside of your website, which means that you can basically set up a kind of like YouTube type player inside of your actual web pages. I want to show you this, how it works on my computer right now. So let's jump across to my computer. I'll show you how this works and why this is going to be such a useful tool in your business and for your clients.
Okay, so this is Vlydo on my screen right here. Now, you'll see that immediately when you get in here, it looks professional. It looks like a great video system, and it gives you a lot of data that you'd probably be quite interested in. It tells you how much or how many video views you're getting per day, so you can actually see it increase. You can see all the details from, you know, how much clicks the home button has got, how many clicks the link button has got, how many people have actually emailed or subscribed through your emails or through your videos. You can also see the embed buttons that have been used, okay? How many people have actually clicked through on Facebook and Twitter, and you get to see a breakdown of whereabouts in the world these people have been visiting from. So as you can see a lot of people visiting from certain parts around the world, and you'll be able to see this grow as this is happening as well for your videos that you're posting. Now, there's many different options that you'll see on this left-hand panel right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break down what those are, but first of all, what I want to do is I want to show you what's possible through this system. So here's what this system is mainly used for. Videos, all right? Videos are what this system is mainly used for. You can embed share buttons, you can have Facebook share buttons over your videos, a home button, you can have info, or you can present an opt-in as the video is playing. As you can see right here, the opt-in pops up. I'm able to subscribe. Then from there, you can either have this redirecting someone to a particular page, or you can have it subscribing, and then once someone's subscribed, presenting them the rest of the video. So you can actually stop a video in the middle of a video to get someone subscribed. I'm going to show you how to do this first. Then what I'm going to show you is how to do this feature right here. YouTube has become so popular because of their ability to recommend different videos from around the web. I don't know about you, but every time I go to YouTube, I get stuck on, searching through different videos because they've got a bunch of different related videos that are really quite interesting. You can create the same YouTube effect using what we call call our Vlydo playlists. You can add as many videos into a playlist as you want, and you can even have different channels. These are the channels up here. Now these different channels basically represent what you could have as different categories or anything like that for your videos. You can also have different structures, and it's laid out nice and easily right here. Looks clean, and this would be great for your client's website if they've got a number of videos they want to showcase in one place, or for your videos. All right, if you want to be able to showcase your videos in one particular place or on one particular page for a particular niche website, and you want different elements inside of those videos, that's possible through the Vlydo system. So let's set that up. Now what I'm going to do first of all is I'm going to show you how to set up that first video, and then I'm going to show you how to set up a playlist. So with that said, the first step is we need to add a new video. We go to add video, and we go in and add a new video. So the first step when you get in here is going to be to go across and actually name your video. All right, now if you wanted an ad to show up before, during, or after the video, that's a pro feature, and you could select that if you're a pro feature member. Now let's go ahead, Vlydo example video, and we're going to name a description. This is a cool example video. The author is me, Sam Becker. The tags could be Marius Price. We could put in, as a tag, Vlydo. And these tags, this is basically just so you recognize this video when you're searching through your different videos. If you wanted to add it directly to a playlist, you could do that. You could actually add it to a pre-created playlist. We're not going to do that for now because we'll do that later. Then from there, you click next. Then it goes into the access information. One of the great parts of the system is you can actually restrict the age of someone watching. So if you wanted to pop up something when the video starts that says, hey, are you 18 years old? Are you able to watch this? You can restrict that. You can also restrict your videos to certain domains and do all of that through there. Now this is where the system is really quite cool. It's so flexible. You can import your videos from Amazon S3, from Google Drive, from Dropbox, so many different options. Let's go into the Vlydo folder on my Amazon S3 account, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in the source, which is going to be Vlydo example video, and that's what I'm going to upload this as. Then I can upload a video into my Amazon Drive directly from the system. This is a really cool feature which isn't possible on most video players out there. Most of them, what they'll do is they'll actually go ahead and make you, or force you to basically go and grab some data first. They'll make you go and upload the video first, then add the URL. With this, you can upload it directly in, as I'm doing right here, and then your video is added. All right, it's added to the system right now. Once that's done, click next. And if you wanted to, you could select any of these videos here, by the way. You don't need to be restricted to that. Next, you can add a thumbnail to your video. Now, the thumbnail is what shows up on the playlist, all right? So if you're adding these videos to your playlists, then you'd want to add a thumbnail. Also, the poster image is the front image that you'll see on your videos. Let's add one of those right now. So let's go ahead. We can choose a file from our desktop here. I've already pre-created a couple of files. This is what it looks like. You can zoom in, zoom out, and create your thumbnail to look as you want. Once you're finished, you upload it. Well, what are we doing? Let's go ahead and do that again. We'll grab another thumbnail from that same place. I pre-created this, and you'll be able to build these off, we've got the sizes, so you'll be able to build these in Word or Power or Photoshop very easily, and you can add them in, as you can see right there. When we're done, we click next. Now, if we wanted to, we could add captions into our videos. This can be a really cool feature if it's a video that requires captions, or if a client of yours wanted to present subtitles in some way. You can do that. Now you can choose whether you want this enabled. Now this is your autoresponder. Now you saw on this video that I showed you just before, we actually had an autoresponder pop up during the video. It happened during the start of that video. We did that by enabling it in here. What we want to do is we want to add an autoresponder. You can use Aweber, GetResponse, iContact, all of the main autoresponders with this system, or we have MailerLite and Email One also integrated. All right, so we've added in Aweber. We're going to put this as our opt-in. We're going to add the button, which is going to be get access. Now we have the option to add a redirect URL. If I wanted to add a redirect URL, I would put in my affiliate link or something that I wanted to redirect the user once they opt in. In this case, I want this opt-in to pop up, and then I want the video to play, the rest of it. So I'm going to put it at the beginning right now so I can collect an opt-in before someone actually plays the video. I then click next. I can then choose whether people can share to watch. This is another cool feature. They can opt in, then share if they want to watch, so it has a couple of steps. I'm going to disable that in this, or if I wanted to, I could add a action that someone could complete. So they have to, repeat the video in order to get an action done, or maybe the redirect to a URL once someone's finished the video. That can be also added. We're not going to do that, and we'll move to Smart Controls. Now, Smart Controls is an OTO1 feature, and it includes a bunch of ads that you can also add in. Once we've done all of that, we've gone through the process, we click Add New Video. Now it's going to add the video to our system. It's also going to present us with a number of different options to help us to post that video around the web. As you can see, my thumbnail is added. If we were to play this, it's going to take a bit of time to process, but once it plays, it's basically going to pop up that opt-in once we've got it embedded on a website. Now, the video takes about 5 to 10 seconds to prepare itself, all right, once it's started. Once you embed this, though, it'll be immediate. All right, then we've got fixed responsive. We can have this responsive if we want, so it basically will resize depending on what dimensions you want to add into your code. So you can resize it very easily like you do with any sort of YouTube video through this system. You can then grab this code right here, add it onto your website, and it'll basically play. If we wanted to, we could add it to Facebook as well. This is fully integrated with Facebook, so it does have a flash player mode, which is really important. So it means that you can go across, you can post it on Facebook, and you can use video inside of Facebook. Really, really important as well. So that's how you set up a main video. If we wanted to go across and edit this video, we can. It's loaded into all of our videos here. You can see all the videos here. There are different layouts, the different thumbnails that are included with it. You can also see the stats and change anything about this at any time. You can also see the channel that it belongs to. So let's go into the playlist feature now. Now, if you want to create a playlist like this, it's really quite easy through the system. You go into our playlists system, you click Add Playlist. All right, we name the playlist, which might be my Vlydo playlist, and then we decide whether we want channels. Now you can either have a basic playlist that does not include these channels, so it won't include these channels, or you can include multiple channels. In this case, I'm going to include channels. I'm going to include a search bar to find particular videos, and I'll include a default thumbnail, so it'll have those thumbnails on the side of my playlist. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go across and I'm going to create my channel. Now my channel is what you see up the top here. These are channels, so I need to name what these categories are. Let's go across and name my channel right now. So I'll name it Vlydo videos, for example, or it could be how-to videos or something like that. We'll add them to our channel. Then when we're ready, we could create multiple channels. We could put how-to videos. We could add that as a channel. And once we've got our channels, we click edit, all right, or publish. We could edit our channel name through here, or if we click publish, it's going to add our channels to this channel displayed in the playlist. Once we've done that, we click edit, all right, and what it's going to do is it's going to bring up that particular channel name, all right, our channel name for this particular channel. From here, we're able to add in our videos that we want to add in to our playlist. As you can see, I'm adding them in right here. The videos now will scroll through, and I'll remove that one because it doesn't have a thumbnail. Once these are added, basically we can scroll through and these will be added to our channel. Once we've finished adding the videos that we want to add, we click Save Changes. All right, Save Changes, and we are finished. We've been able to add basically all of these into our specific playlist. All of this has been added into our playlist. If we wanted to go back, we wanted to edit more channels, we could either add more channels or we could go into our playlists now and we'll actually see that playlist listed right here. If we want to edit it, we're still able to edit it, and we can actually edit this new playlist now and add more videos into this particular channel if we wanted to. Save Changes. Now what we've done is we've basically created a playlist video, all right? We've created a playlist with a bunch of different videos, a bunch of different channels, and a search input if we want to actually search for specific videos. So you've seen how everything is set up now. This is how the system runs. This is how easy it is. It's very easy to integrate with everything. You can also integrate with a number of different autoresponder systems and integrate a bunch of other settings within our settings panel here and within integrations. So everything is available through this system. You're able to create videos like you can see here. You can create playlists like you can see here. And it's all around a very easy system to get up and running. The videos look professional, and it will do the trick when you're looking to basically go ahead and create a professional look for the videos that you want posted on a page. Cool, this is Sam Backer. Also to mention, there's a really cool extension that's available with the Pro features, and everything else is very easy to add in and take away. So hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope it's been informational and you've learnt how to do all this. Just to finish it off, I'll do this. I'm just going to grab the embed code for my playlist so you can see how you'd go ahead and add that to a page. Basically, you go in embed playlist, you click this, you copy this code right here, you add it into the HTML of your page, and it will add that playlist into your system. Cool, easy as that. Alright, well thanks for coming to this video. I hope you've enjoyed this demonstration. This is Sam Backer, and I'll talk to you again soon.